Dear customers, today I will show you how to use our Gokozy heat vest correctly. First, you need to find out the included power bank from our package and then turn it on. Plug this USB plug into this power bank and put this battery back into the pocket. And then push this fire button for 2 or 3 seconds to turn it on. If you want to change the heating temperature, just click this fire button again, so you can change the heating temperature. And push this button for 2 or 3 seconds to turn it off. When you do not use the heated vest, remember to take out this battery